Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We are going to Woodfield Mall today. This camera is making me like parang naka-makeup lang talaga dito sa camera na to. But I'm with this camera already because I can't actually adjust it into if I wanted to zoom in for taking a picture because it's already broken. But I just wanted to use this camera right now. This is my old camera, a 5100. Usually recommend this kind of tripods kasi madali silang masira. I have like two already that they give me or I received for like a review, and halos lahat sila ay nasira na. So if you guys are planning to buy a tripod, I don't really recommend this kind of tripod. Ang masira. So, natatanggal siya basically dito sa part na to kasi parang nagdudugtong-dugtong lang. So, it easily get like separated and it easily get broken. So, I don't know why. So, yeah. So I don't recommend this kind of tripods. Done eating our breakfast right now. And I am just gonna clean up the dishes. I still have to cook for dinner. So this is the chicken that I'm boiling. Parang tutay. I'm gonna be removing or separating the meat from the bone later. Because I'm thinking of making soup for dinner. Medyo dark here. It's actually dark in here. So as I eat like a bowl of rice and two sunny side up. I'm so full right now. And then here's my coffee. Kobe is already done with his breakfast and it's actually lunch already here, so brunch. Ayan. Pag walang pasok, so madalas kaming nagla-lunch ng late or nagbe-breakfast ng late. So ayun, yung aming routine dito. Pero pag may pasok, we have to wake up early, like of course before 7. So, nakakapag-breakfast kami ng maaga. May natira pa dito sa naluto ko. Ito yung ating sunny side up at saka yung hot dogs. Tapos may natirang toast. I'm already full because I ate rice. So, I'm just gonna be putting it here para pag dumating na si Daddy Rex, meron siyang kakainin. But I'm making soup also. Hannah, nasa work din si Hannah. So, I'm just gonna cover this like that. Here to vlog here in this camera. Napansin ko lang because it's smaller compared to the Canon EOS. So, I'm glad. This one's, I received it as a gift. So, my husband gave it to me. It's a vlogging camera also, but not the... This is kind of like the old one because mostly yung ginagamit ng mga vloggers is yung G7 Mark II. Is that right? So yun. Itong sa akin is actually the Sony A5100. It works okay. Making chicken noodle soup. I put the chicken already and the raw carrots, and then I'm just gonna be putting some of this basil. Vegetables and let it boil again. All the chickens I have here remaining, so I'm just gonna put it in a Ziploc and put it in the freezer so it's gonna be ready whenever I need it for making my chicken soup. For the noodle, I am gonna be using this chicken noodles. This is how it looks like. Madali lang siyang maluto. Maybe this will take about 5, I'd say mga 10 minutes and it's ready. So, just packing this boiled chicken, and I'm just gonna put it in the freezer ready for next time. Kasi nagbibigay siya ng color. Look, see, I don't know what kind of seeds or beans are this though. Not really sure, so if you guys know, just comment it down. So I'm gonna put I would say about a cup of this egg noodles. So I'm just gonna drop it. And then again, I'm just gonna cover this. Ayan na yung ating soup. It's almost ready for dinner because we're done with our lunch. I cooked about 3 cups of rice, so that's ready. It's still warm. So ganyan lang karaming niluluto ko madalas. So just cover this and cook the egg noodles for I'd say about 5 to 10 minutes. So low heat or fire lang yung ginagamit ko. There it is. Looks yum. I already put salt and seasoning, pepper. Tapos I did add like a half of chicken broth. And then I also used the chicken stock. So it looks yummy. Yan. Ganyan lang. Di ko na nilalagyan ng milk because I just want it really plain. Gusto ko lang talagang malasahan yung chicken soup and sabaw. Because this one's really good, lalo na ngayon na fall season. So this one's really good. Delicious. 5 minutes more and the egg noodles will be ready. So this is how it looks like already. I love how it looks like. Medyo, hindi siya thick. It's just right. The consistency. I love this kind of like soup na medyo parang thick siya tignan. But I did not actually put any thickening or like cornstarch or anything like that. Just stock and the vegetables and the egg noodles. So this is how it looks like, and it's really yummy. You guys should try this. Let out, oh how, believe, let's say it's up in me. This vlog, I know because medyo mahaba na, it's kind of like long already, so I'm gonna end this vlog, you guys. I'm just gonna wash the dishes and finish what I'm doing, just listening and chilling with like worship songs. That's basically my weekend routines. I'll see you guys next time for another video. Hope you guys subscribe if you're new to my channel, and stay safe. Bye guys. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone.